Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2016 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6988. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2017. It's a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right head door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, steering mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, rear front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,